Hello all and welcome to this technical advanced training session. My name is Steven de Winter and I'm the Chief Operations Officer of Awingu. In the previous training sessions we did some basic installation and basic concept of Awingu. In this series of training videos we go into more advanced topics. One of the advanced topics I would like to address in this video is scaling and multi-nodes. As you might know, a single Awingu node can handle easily up to 300 to 500 concurrent RDP streams. But if you want to go higher than that, or if you want to introduce high availability in your setup, we recommend to go to a clustered Awingu setup. In this video, I will show you how you can grow from a single Awingu to a multi-node Awingu. So for this demo setup, we have already prepared a single node Awingu which is installed. We have installed the Awingu appliance with an external database. You can see that in the system settings. If you open the system settings and go to the connectivity page, you will see that we have configured this Awingu to use an external database. Next to that, we also have deployed two empty Awingu appliances. So these are just two images of Awingu we have deployed. This is the 62 and the 64. We didn't do anything, so as you can see, if you go to port 8080, the installer is still there. To upgrade an Awingu from a single node to a multi-node, this is easily done through the service management options of the Awingu node. So once you have installed your first Awingu, the other nodes are ready. You can go to the service management. And as you can see, for the moment, I only have one node in my setup. It's the number 61. It's also the IP address I'm connected to. And only the backend services and the front-end services are installed on this node. The database is installed externally. What I will do is I will add two extra nodes. So I will grow from a single node Awingu to a three-node cluster. Why will I grow to a three-node cluster and not to a two-node cluster? You have to know that the backend services of Awingu are actually everything which has to do with the auditing, so the advanced dashboard, the dashboard, the audit reports, and for high availability we would need three of them. So backend services need to be one or three. Front-end services can be as many as you want, so it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even up to 10. It's no problem. So if you want to go all the way high available in the setup, I need to deploy three machines. So this is what I will do. So I will edit the configuration and I will add an appliance. The appliance I will add is of course the number 2 and the number 3, which are on here. We're running this demo on a cloud platform. Cloud platforms will not be able to discover the appliances automatically. If you would do this on ASX or Hyper-V, you would normally get the list of all the available empty appliances. So in my case, what I will do is I will add manually node 2, which is in my case this IP address. And I will do the same thing for the third node. So first let's add the second one, and then let's add the third one. Okay, so node 3 and the third IP address, which is 64. Okay, so let's add that one. And now Awingu allows you to check which services need to run on it. So as the backend needs to be odd, so 1 or 3, I'm selecting backend services and front-end services. And then the last thing I need to do is hit the upgrade button, and Awingu will reconfigure everything and should be back in a few minutes with the updated configuration running in a three-node cluster. The last thing I need to do is, instead of going directly to the IP address of Awingu, put a load balancer in front of it and connect over the load balancer to Awingu. This will take roughly 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the speed of the Awingu appliances and on the speed of the disks, but normally nothing else you need to do. Just take into account that during this upgrade there will be downtime as we are adding backend services. If you would only add front-end services, this can be done online without service interruption. Thank you.